Hey Python coders, welcome back. Today we're learning about variables, like boxes to store values in your program. We'll also cover how to name them properly. Let's get started. A variable is like a labeled box in Python's memory. You can store a value in it using assignment statements. Try this in idle. Let's try x equals 40. Now, the variable x holds the number 40. If we type x and then press enter, it gives us the number 40. You can use variables in expressions. For example, we can do something like x plus 2 and press enter. It gives us 42 because x was 40 and 40 plus 2 is 42. We can do something else. We can use another variable. For example, we can do y equals 2, and now we have two variables, x which is 40 and y which is 2, and then we can write an expression like x plus y, and the result is also the number 42. But there's something else we can do. We can overwrite variables. For example, we can type x equals x plus 2, and now the new value which x holds is 42. That's it. But there's something else we can do with variables, and variables can hold strings too. For example, x can hold the string value of hello, and now if we type x gives us the string value of hello, or we can do something like x equals goodbye, and now x has the a string value goodbye. So that means that the old value is replaced with the new one. Okay, let's talk about variable names. Variable names have rules. For example, one word, only letters, numbers, or underscores, and no starting with a number. For example, the variable name current balance is okay. We can assign it to number like 25. It works. And something else like spam underscore 42 equals, for example, spam. It also works fine. But for example, if we try to write something like current dash balance equals 50, for example, it doesn't work because we can use dashes, only numbers, letters, underscores, and the name should not start with a number. And for example, if we want to name a variable like for spam equals 80, it also doesn't work because the name starts with 4, and that's not the correct way to name variables. Awesome, guys, you learned how to use variables and name them correctly. Practice in idle. Try something like score equals 100 and then overwrite it with a score equals score plus 50. Next video we'll write our first full program. Subscribe and I'll see you there.